Hello all, welcome back.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the previous class, we have covered the sales document types, right?
Yeah.
We have covered the sales documents. What is
Yeah.
the
Covered.
structure of the sales document? It consists of header data,
Header data,
item
item
data,
data,
Data.
and
Schedule line data.
schedule line
schedule
data.
and data.
That's what we have covered in the previous sessions, right? So now we will go through the delivery document.
Okay.
Okay. So previously we have gone through the sales document. Now we are going through the delivery document. So let me draw one small diagram here. See, the sales document is consist of, as we have discussed earlier, header data, item data, and schedule line data.
Schedule line data.
This is the header data, this is the item data, and this is what is schedule line data. And what are the tables related to the header data, item data, and schedule line data here for the sales document?
VBAK.
Yes.
VBAP.
Yeah.
EBAP,
VBEP.
and VBEP,
VBAP and
EP.
EBEP, EP.
Okay. So this is what is the sales document. Now we are going through the delivery document, right? What is the structure of the delivery document?
Item data, header data, and item
Yeah.
data.
Item
It
data.
is again divided into two parts.
Two parts.
Okay. What are them? Header data and
Item data.
Item data.
item data. What do you know about header data? Which is the data which is applicable to all the line items in the delivery document. And item data means it is the data which is applicable to a particular line item in the delivery document. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the table for the header data of the delivery document?
LIKP.
LIKP,
It is
LIKP.
LIKP.
AP.
And for the item data it is
Lips.
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 LIPS. Okay. So I think you are clear till here, right? And
Yeah.
what is the source for the header data of the delivery document? Sales order.
The sales order.
And
Control data,
issue party.
configuration data.
Then some part of the configuration data and some part of the control data.
Control data.
Okay.
Okay. Then what is the source for the item data?
Sales order.
Sales order.
Material master.
Yes.
Material
master.
Configuration data.
Some part of the
And
configuration data.
Control data.
And
Some part of the
part
control data.
control data.
Control data.
Control data.
Okay. Then let me tell you some more tables related to the delivery document.
Okay.
That is nothing but VBUK. VBUK. What is the transaction in which we can execute the tables?
SE16N.
SE16N, right?
16.
Okay. So this is the table VBUK. It is used for yeah, tell me. Delivery document.
Delivery header status.
Yes, header status. Delivery document.
Header status.
Okay. And VBUP.
Item status.
Yeah. Delivery document.
Item status.
Item status. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what about the structure of the delivery document is. It consists of header data and item data. And the table for the header data is LIKP. And the table for the item data is LIPS. And you can get the status of the, what is this? Delivery header document. With the help of the table VBUK. And you can use the table VBUP to get the status of the delivery document item status, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
And what is the header data? It is the data which is applicable to the entire
All
document,
right,
whatever
line
the line
items.
items are there in the
Yes, sir.
delivery document.
Mm.
And item data means it is applicable
Particular
to
line item.
yeah
Particular.
particular line item in the delivery document.
Mm.
Okay.